Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have two amazing drones from Holy Stone that we'll be comparing. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Holy Stone HS190. This drone is perfect for kids and beginners who want to enjoy the thrill of flying without any hassle. Next up, we have the Holy Stone Mini Drone. This drone offers a lot of fun features and is perfect for both kids and adults. Let's start with the camera comparison. Both drones are equipped with a camera, but the Holy Stone Mini Drone offers a higher resolution of 720p compared to the HS190's 480p camera. If you're looking for better image quality, the Holy Stone Mini Drone might be the one for you. When it comes to battery life, the Holy Stone Mini Drone takes the lead with its 3 included batteries, providing up to 21 minutes of flight time. On the other hand, the HS190 offers a battery life that is not specified, so if longer flight time is important to you, the Holy Stone Mini Drone is the winner in this category. In terms of design and portability, both drones have a compact and portable design. However, the HS190 has the advantage of being foldable, making it even more convenient to carry around. If you're looking for a drone that can easily fit in your pocket or bag, the HS190 is the way to go. The Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide and the Holy Stone Mini Drone have received positive reviews from customers. The HS190 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and good quality materials. It is recommended for learning, indoor flying, and performing flips. On the other hand, the Mini Drone is considered a great gift for kids and beginners, with features like auto-hovering, 3D flips, and headless mode. It is appreciated for its 3 included batteries and endless fun. Both drones have received positive feedback on customer service. And that wraps up our comparison between the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide and the Holy Stone Mini Drone. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right drone for you. If you're looking for a drone that is easy to fly and perfect for beginners, the HS190 might be the best choice. On the other hand, if you want more advanced features and longer flight time, the Holy Stone Mini Drone is the winner. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. Thanks for watching, and remember to buy smart.